This is Photo 2 Vector, a free AI studio that turns any photo into clean vector lineart, silhouettes, and stencils ready for laser engraving, CNC, or vinyl cutting. Step 1. Drag and drop your photo here or click to browse. JPG, PNG, or WEBP up to 10 megabytes and no sign-up at any point. Frame the part of the photo you actually want, confirm the crop, and the AI takes it from there. Background removal, lineart extraction, noise cleanup, and vectorization all run on their own. Nothing is hidden from you. All 8 stages are laid out side by side: the mask that lifts the subject off its background, the normalized photo, the lineart, the cleaned-up drawing, and the finished vector. Not happy with a stage? Open it and it comes with its own parameters. Lineart has a detail level and a coarse line switch. The cleanup stage has its own thresholds. The vectoriser has simplification and a minimum area. Change what you need and regenerate just that step. And if you would rather fix something by hand, the cleaned lineart opens in a full editor. Pencil and eraser with an adjustable brush, a magic wand, layers with blend modes and opacity, undo and redo, plus one-click cleanup and outline. Everything you need to chase down a stray line before you export. And that's it. Click Download SVG to save the vector. It opens straight in LightBurn, EZCAD, Cricut Design Space, or Illustrator. Free, no sign-up, no watermark.